All you gronks, welcome back to another video. I wasn't going to film anything today, but the boys are on the tools. We're fucking doing some cleaning. I know some of you weird bastards like looking at cleaning. We can also look at these rigs real quick. Well, that's all you get. Anyway, we're pressure washing. And pressure washing footage makes me toey, so it probably makes you toey, which means that's now what's getting uploaded to my channel. This went from a fucking drifting channel to straight up just house chores. Yeah, the boys, let's go. Yeah, you might even get a fucking wash. The dog. Also had to change my tyres because yeah, this one is flat, but it's only flat on one side, so that's right. Also, if you want any tyres, it's 90% tread, but you have to reattach it yourself. Oof. Fucking been a minute since I've been in fucking high-vis, but here we are, mate. We got some fucking bloke being a bush turkey up here. How you doing, mate? And fucking boy in striped pajamas here, fucking homemade smoke. Anyway, we just got off the big boy tools. These boys haven't graduated from their hand tools yet, you know, fucking. Anyway, it's coming along. We'll be qualified soon, mate. It's coming along. I just want to get to the fucking pressure washing, to be honest. But yeah, all of this was real bad, so. Loves a trap. Yeah, sooner you get up. All this shit bit overgrown and that. Oh fuck. Have a look at that ass, mate. Oh, what a big. Door closed. Oh, look at this fucking mess. This is how a real man treats the boys when they're doing fucking yard work. Come here, cunt. I've got a fucking beer for you. Oh, that's so great. Sweet, sweet. There we go. Golden nectar. Oh, where's the other fuckhead gone? Ugh. We got a fucking monkey. Here's a fucking bevy brap. Bama. Oh, you mean beer shelf? Here you go. Oh, sorry. Yeah, bit of shit. Alright. Now to some leaf blowing. Okay, just for reference, I walked inside. I straight up haven't even touched this beer yet. Walk inside. Dicko in the time he walked from there to down here while I was just sorting some hose stuff out for the solar panels later. Motherfucker's gone and got him another beer. Fuck me, mate. Couple of blokes in all of his, you know, fucking big day on the tools, mate. Delegating. I did most of this area. Now we've got Big Dicko on the fucking big tools, mate. He's been fucking promoted to the fucking big boy tools now. Get on the fucking blower, you dog.
You don't do fucking 7 days a week, 420 a day. On your dick, eh? You fucking escaper.
What he said. Up the guts, mate. Oi, get away from your fucking car, mate.
You can't park there, mate.
I'll blow you if you blow my car.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Alright, to the roof. Oh yeah, fair bit going on. Got Dicko down there doing some blowing. Just some of this, some of this. I wonder if I can drink a beer with this in my hand. Free shower, mate. First shower he's had in fucking weeks, mate. How's this fucking view, but? Actually, right, mate. It's only very slippery. How could you possibly fall? So, I'm fucking done.
Not vibing.
My apprentice has switched himself out for a bloke in high vis, so you know fucking shit's getting done. Anyway, we've got a nice little sunset going on. There's some fucking DJ set going on. I don't know. It's a bit windy, you probably can't even hear it. Anyway, on to the fucking last panel. Look how good this looks.
Last panel, no energy. Let's go.
Yeah, we're not into it. We're fucking well and truly over it. Here's some POV brushing.
You got this, man, I believe.
I wonder how cracked this spit is. It feels so hot, guys. Can't even grip the broom correctly. Hang on. If I twist these, make extensions, double grip, we give a go to scrub.
We do love a bit of POV.
Oh, I'm losing the other fucking shweepy.
Oh,
you can fuck off then, yeah. Now we get some proper POV oosh braying. When you need to get to that 10-minute mark of monetization, so you just film your broom cunt. Yeah!
All day, sit down, watch big YouTube videos. And,
Who's that?
And then I just watch him do housework. Who's that?
The last scrub, mate. Get the dog. Think about all the bicep veins you'll have after this. Think to yourself how much better you will look when you look like this because of the fucking absolute workout this has been, mate.
You're getting shredded stereo, bro.
I'm no longer okay. This fucking sucks, mate. Oh, this has been like a fucking 6-hour day of just fucking housework. Anyway, we've done a lot of shit. It's pretty hell of a going. Oh, bye. Look at this bloke. Oh, look at the fucking sheen on the fucking panel. Oh my god. You're right, mate. Fucking should have gone to Specsavers, mate. Alright, this view makes it worth it, but cheeky sunset. Oh, the final rinse. We done, mate? Fucking finally. Alright, well, we didn't get to do any pressure washing because it is sun setting times. So, I don't know if we'll even have a chance to do that before I go away. Anyway, this video might include power washing right now. If this video is still going, then I didn't fucking do it. Fuck me, look how good this looks now. Oh, look how good this bloke looks.
Oh, thanks, man. Not even a party.
Must be time to bring the fucking rigs back down, eh? Hang on, does that mean I can walk out here?
That's not bad.
Holy fucking white feet. Anyway, I'm not feeling any fucking leaves. Why does it look like I have socks on? Anyway, I'm gonna go get the fucking and yeah, go for gold. What's this? Fuck off me, pal. So, slight mistake may have been made because I've got a lot of cars that need to come back into this driveway, and I've put a pretty big fucking pile right where this thing needs to be parked for a while I'm overseas. So, thankfully, I do have a solution to this problem because I'm rebuilding this car. You can't really see it, but I cleaned the driveway a bit from that neutral bomb. Good park, but dog. Yeah, what a rig, mate. I don't really know where the front bumper is. I think it's a bit pushed up. My brother's now upset because he just did a lot of raking and I forced him to go the whole way to the edge of the concrete because we were power washing. Well, that was the plan anyway. We didn't quite get to it. Now he's upset because, oh, we could have just used the Falcon the whole time. I'm like, well, I need to sort of that, didn't I? So, anyway, that's where she's parking. Time to get the rest of the rigs down. But I can't film them because I'm keeping a secret car here that I can't tell you about because it's not mine. So, anyway, this is actually where I'm ending the video. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you did enjoy this pretty random video. But I had a lot of fun filming it, to be honest, because it was a good laugh. Something a bit different. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I will see you in the next one. I'm now a house cleaning fucking channel.